Good morning, welcome to Maths class. Continuation of second chapter, addition of numbers. Addition. We combine two or three numbers, that is called addition. And the result of addition is called total. Plus is symbol for addition, total or sum. Addition facts goes to number plus 0, same number. Number plus 1, next number of the given number. And when we add two or more numbers in any order, we get the same answer. That property is called commutative property of addition. Once again, number plus 0 or 0 plus number, same number. Number plus 1 or 1 plus number, next number of the given number. When we add two or three numbers in any order means left side number to right side number, or right side number to left side number, or up to down or down to up, the answer does not change. That property is called commutative property of addition. In this chapter, already you learnt 2-digit number addition, 3-digit number, 2 lines and 3 lines, without regrouping, with regrouping, and 4-digit, adding 4-digit numbers with grouping, without regrouping. Okay? Now I am going to revise and then go to board problems. Today 4-digit numbers, 2 lines and 3 lines, without regrouping, with regrouping. 4-digit numbers, addition of 4-digit numbers with grouping, without grouping. After that go to next. First I am going to revise. Okay Nana? Addition of 4-digit numbers. 2-digit and 3-digit in previous classes we have completed. This is going to addition of 4-digit numbers. 4-digit means the number having 4 places. What are those? Thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, ones place. We read the number start from thousands. 4-digit means we read the number start from thousands. Next hundreds. Next put together tens and ones. Yes or no? What is the first 4-digit number? 1000. The last 4-digit number 9999. Already you learnt. Now I am going to revise once again. Then go to next. Come on, see the examples. 4-digit means 4 places. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Isn't it? 4050 plus 3710. Addition start from ones place. Add ones place numbers 0. Now add tens place numbers. Number plus 1. Next number of the given number. Given number is 5. 5 plus 1 6. Now add hundreds 0 plus 7. Same number. Same number means 7. Now add thousands place numbers. 4 plus 3. 7. Very good. This is called total. T-O-T-A-L or S-U-M, sum. Total or sum. We get the total by adding the given numbers. Those are 2 or 3. 2 lines addition or 3 lines addition. First adding ones, write in the ones place. Next adding tens place numbers, write in the tens place. Next goes to hundreds place numbers, add hundreds place numbers and write in the hundreds place. Then go to thousands place, add in thousand place numbers and write in the thousands place. What is the answer? The answer is called total. Another example. Four-digit numbers. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. 5634 plus 2325. Start from ones. 4 plus 5. Take 4 fingers. 5 after 6, take 3 fingers, 2 after 3, 4, 5. Now hundreds, 6 plus 3, take 6 fingers, 3 after, yes, like this, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the hundreds place, now adding thousands, take 5 fingers, 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the total? 7,959 without regrouping. Next, another example, 4-digit numbers. Now I am going to take 3 numbers, 3 lines addition. 4,256, 1,530 plus 3,103. First number is 4,256, second number is 1,530, third number is 103. Start addition from ones, add ones column numbers. 6 plus 3, very good, 9, write in the ones column. Now add tens, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 0, 8 only. Now adding hundreds, 2 plus 5, good, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, write in the hundreds column. Now adding thousands, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. The total is 8,889. We get the total by adding of the given numbers. 3 lines, 4-digit numbers, 3 lines without regrouping. Now with regrouping, 4-digit, addition of 4-digit numbers with grouping. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. 4,327 plus 2,146. Adding ones, 7 plus 6. Come on, take 7 fingers, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is a 2-digit number. In the ones place, we get 2-digit number. That means right side and split the number. Split the number means 1 carry forward to left side column, that is going to tens column. Ones, tens. 1 10, 3 ones. 3 right in the ones column. 1 carry forward to tens column, right above 2. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 in the mind, take 4 fingers, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. Right in the tens column. Now adding hundreds, 3 plus 1, 4. Now adding thousands, 4 plus 2. Take 4 fingers, 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. The total is 6,473. With the grouping means ones to tens. Ones, tens. Okay? The carried number forward to tens place. Another example. Same 4-digit numbers. 3,278 plus 2,456. Come on, start from ones. 8 plus 6, take 8 fingers, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. With the grouping, ones place number, ones place, tens place number, carry forward to tens place. Now 4 right in the ones place, 1 carry forward to tens place, right above 7 in the tens place. Now adding these two numbers, 1 plus 7, 8, very good. 8 in the mind, take 5 fingers, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Again we get 2-digit number. Now 3, again split the number, 3 right in the tens place, 1 carry forward to hundreds place. That means right above 2. Now hundreds place having 3 numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 4. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 in the mind, take 4 fingers, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 right in the hundreds place. Now adding thousands. 3 plus 2, 5. Very good. The sum is 5,734. Are you observed? Ones, tens, hundreds. With the regrouping, we adding ones, we get 2-digit number. We separate the number. That means split the number. 4 right in the ones place, 1 carry forward to tens place. Now adding tens place numbers, again we get 2 digit number. Split the number, 3 right in the tens place, 1 carry forward to hundreds place. Now adding hundreds numbers, we get single digit number right there only. After that go to thousands place numbers, adding thousands place, we get the 5. Right, this is the total. Okay, next another example. Same 4 digit numbers. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Ready? 5,376 plus 2,845. 5,376 plus 2,845. Our addition start from ones place. 6 and 5. 6 plus 5. Good. 11. 2 digit number. Okay. Separate the tens and ones. Ones number right in the ones place. This tens number carry forward to tens place. That means write above 7. Now add 1 plus 7 plus 4. 1 plus 7, 8. Take 4 fingers, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. Again we get 2 digit number. Again carry forward to 1. 2 right here, 1 carry forward to hundreds place. Now adding hundreds, 1 plus 3, 4. 4 in the mind, take 8 fingers, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again we get 2 digit number, write 2 in the hundreds place, 1 carry forward to thousands place. That means write above 5. Now 1 plus 5, 6. 6 in the mind, take 2 fingers, 6 after 7, 8. The total is 8,221. Addition of 4 digit numbers with regrouping. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones to tens, tens to hundreds, hundreds to thousands. Carry forward number. Okay. These tens place number we are going to carry forward. Next another example. 4 digit number, 3 lines. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. 5,643. 2,075 plus 1,415. 1,415. Add these 3 numbers in the same process. Start from ones. First number, second number, third number. Adding ones. Take 3 fingers, 5 after 6, 7, 8. 8 in the mind, take 5 fingers, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right side, 3 right in the ones place, 1 carry forward to tens place. Right above 4, just left side place. Now 1 plus 4, 5. 5 in the mind, take 7 fingers, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Again, write 3 in the tens place. 1 carry forward to next left side place, that is going to hundreds place. Now 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 4. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. Again we get 2 digit number. Write 1 in the hundreds place. This one carry forward to thousands place. That means write above 5. Now add these numbers. 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1. 1 plus 5, 6. Take 2 fingers, 6 after 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Total is 9,133. This is going to 4 digit numbers, 3 lines with regrouping. Okay. Ones place number, carry forward to tens place number. Ones place number, carry forward to tens place number. Ones place number, carry forward to tens place number. Okay. Are you understood? Next, I am going to explain word problem. Word problems. Example. We are going to use the words addition word problems. We are going to using the words going to total, sum, more, both, all together. These are going to addition words. In all, increase. Okay, these words are going to using addition word problems. Total, sum, more, both, all together, in all, increase, in 2 days, in 3 days, like that. Those are going to addition words. Okay, now if any word in the question, any word, addition word in the question, we find the total for that question. We find the total. How do you get total? Very good. By adding the given number, by addition. Understood? Can I write the question? Can I write the question? Come on. Come on, children. Look at the board. I am going to read the question. You observe. There are 723 students in school A and 546 students in school B. What is the total number of students in both the schools? What is the addition word? Total. Underline that. That means we find the total. What is the important words? 723 students in school A. 546 students in school B. Here we find out the total number of students. We get the total number of students by adding of given two numbers. What is the first number? 723. 723 goes to, yes, school A students. Now give a line and write the answer like this. Number of NO, 2 dots and underline. This is going to short form of number of. We read this number of students in, what is the first school? School A. How many in that school? 723. Write that number. Okay. Now go to next word. 546 students in school B. Number of students in school B. How many? 546. Right below the first number correctly. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. That means given numbers are goes to 3-digit numbers. Now total number of students. Total number of students in both the schools. In both the schools means two schools, school A and school B. Total number of students equal to, we get the total by addition. That's why we put the symbol plus here. Plus means add. Total number of students in both the schools. Both means school A and school B. Addition start from, yes, ones place. 3 plus 6, 9. Very good. Tens, 2 plus 4, 6. Very good. Hundreds, 7 plus 5. Yes, 12. This is going to thousands. 4-digit number. 1269 people. Students in the school, in the both the schools. Both means two schools. School A, school B. Total number of students equal 723 plus 546, 1269. Question and answer. This is going to explanation part. No need to write. Okay? You watch the video. This is question. This is answer. This is going to addition word. Addition word. One more problem. Come on children. Next example question. A bookseller sold 297 books in the first week and 186 books sold in the second week. How many books did he sell in both the weeks? Here addition word goes to both. Both means first week and second week. First week and second week together, how many books the bookseller sold? Understood? First week 297 books he sold. In the second week he sold 186. How many books did he sell in both the book weeks means we are going to, yes, he sold how many books in 2 weeks. That means we are going to put together given two numbers. How do you get answer? Yes, by the total. Here we are going to find the total. Now I am going to write the answer. Come on, observe. Here important words you have underlined. 297 books in the first week. 186 books sold in the second week. How many books did he sell in both the weeks? Okay, come on. Number of books sold in the first week. Same words. Number of books sold in the first week. Your number is this. That's why we are writing number. Number comes in the right side. 297. Next one. Number of books sold in the second week. Number of books sold in the second week. In the second week, your same words. Number of books sold in the second week. How many books? Very good. 186. Write below the first number correctly. Next. Both means we are going to put together these two numbers. We are going to combine. That means addition. The result of addition is total. Total number of books he sold in both the weeks. Okay? Total number of books he sold in both the weeks. Then total number of books he sold. Enough. Otherwise you want to write full. Total number of books he sold in both the weeks. Okay? Total means both the weeks. First week and second week. Put the symbol plus. Start addition process from ones place. 7 plus 6. Take 7 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 2 digit number. 3 right here. 1 carry forward. We get 2 digit number. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8. Again 2 digit number. Okay? 2 digit numbers. Now 8 right here. 1 carry forward. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Total number of books he sold in both the weeks equal to 483. We get the answer by addition. Here we find out total. Okay? Number of books sold in the first week equal to 297. Number of books sold in the second week equal to 186. Total number of books he sold equal to 297 plus 186. 7 plus 6, 13. Carry forward to tens place number. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. Again 8 right here. 1 carry forward to hundreds place. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Total number of books he sold equal to 483. Question and answer. Okay? This is example problems. Okay? And learn tables from 2 table to 10 table. Thank you very much, my dear children. Take care. Bye.